Hey friends, I'm Taylor from We Craft Social. As we all do our part and stay inside to stop the spread of this virus, I wanted to bring you a project to encourage and connect with your neighbors. I highly suggest this step if you can, since writing backwards can be really tricky. It's so important to use a water-based paint pen instead of oil-based. Read the fine print on your paint pen package to make sure it's safe on glass. Going to go a little bit crazy, so I'm going to do my part to try to bring you as many projects as possible that you can do from the comfort of your home with craft items you might already have. My name is Taylor Chu. I hope to see you next time.